Bonafide Hustler here.
E-Money here.
Oh my gosh. And we are hitting up garage sales this morning. There's only about 6 garage sales. We got Z-Money driving. We're gonna find anything E-Money?
Right now, it's warming up. So I think it might be cheddar weather in an hour.
All right, welcome to the vlog, guys, and we're on our way to the first garage sale. We don't have no idea what we're gonna find. Hey, if it's even like last weekend, we only saw like 7, I don't even know, 5 garage sales last weekend, and we found a mid-century modern Jack's Adrian Pearsall for Craft Associates table. It was super awesome. It was $10. It's probably worth north of 500 bucks. Anyway, you can go check out the vlog 2 vlogs ago. But welcome to the vlog. You can follow me at the Bonafide Hustler, and there's also a free guide right here. It's the first link down below. So go check that out, get that free guide. And then, yeah, we're on the way to go see a garage sale, or 2, or 5, I guess, or 6. And yeah, that's about it. One of the things that we are doing that could be a really terrible decision is we are not going to a town that is 30 minutes away that might have 100 garage sales, just because it didn't pan out for us like last year. So we're not doing that, and that could be a really bad idea. But anyway, there was a community-wide garage sale that's like 30 minutes from here. It just wasn't good last year, so we're not gonna do that. So we're gonna bet on 5 or 6 to see if we can make some money, and we'll show you what we find here on this vlog. All right, here's the first garage sale of the morning. There are a lot of pink signs on this garage sale. It doesn't look that good, but we're gonna go check it out. So we didn't find anything there. E-Money, did you find anything there?
No.
Okay, yeah. We're just making jokes and being stupid and reminiscing about old garage sale days. This is what Thrifty Z got, a pair of jeans for herself. Pretty cool. All right, next garage sale it is. All right, next garage sale is right here. Let's go check it out. There's some cool things. It looks like there's some cool things. We're gonna give it a whirl. What's up? Yeah.
About 15?
50? Should be. I have the...
Did you see all these?
Yeah.
Okay, so we got out from that garage sale and we actually found some really cool stuff. So this was 20 bucks. This is a suede, probably a McGregor suede long coat. It's so cool. It reminds me of McGregor stuff. It could be McGregor. But this thing in the booth is probably like 100 bucks, maybe 150. It's also reversible is what my girlfriend says. And then she found this jacket in the jacket thing. This is a Lucky brand vintage jacket right here. It's a USA leather jacket. It's pretty cool. Now, I think this is probably going to sell for like 150. We got into that one for 20 bucks. And then in a bucket, I found these super sick like 80s Ray-Bans Wayfarers. And these are real deal, like from back in the day. And these have like this interesting kind of side to them. I mean, this is Wayfarer original style. You can kind of see how raked it is in the front. So this is gonna be cool. This could be like $100 to $300. I'm not kidding. Some of these glasses that are vintage Ray-Bans sell for big money. So I'm gonna look this thing up while we go to the next garage sale. All right, so we have a next garage sale right here, and there actually is a bike, but it's not a good one. It's a North Rock. That's not a good bike, but maybe for like 10 bucks it is. Maybe. Trust me. Okay, next garage sale is right here. To be completely honest, we actually found something at the previous garage sale. We haven't even covered it yet on the vlog. But this garage sale is right here, and we're gonna check this one out. At the garage sale before this, we actually picked this North Rock bike up for 25 bucks. We're probably gonna give it to a friend, but it's a super cool bike. It could resell for like 120 or so. We didn't find anything at that garage sale. From that other garage sale, besides that bike, we got this Mountain Smith cooler, which is pretty cool. And these things at REI, like a Mountain Smith cooler is gonna be like 100 to 120 or so. This is a 20, I think, liter cooler. It's not the greatest brand, but that cooler is very how do I say? It's abrasion resistant. It's cool. You know, it's a junky cooler. It's only 7 bucks, and I think we can probably get it moving for, I don't know, 50 or so. Although we might use it and just trash the hell out of it. I don't know. We got another garage sale down here, and we have a bike in the sights right now. It's a crappy bike, I can tell just by looking at it, but this garage sale could be kind of good. We're in South Austin now, and sometimes there's some crazy gems in South Austin, so we're gonna check this thing out. So this North Rock bike right here, by the way, this is I think a CL5. This was probably offered at Costco at one point for like 300 bucks. Just give you context of what this thing was, brand new. E-Money, are you gonna buy anything today?
Yeah.
What are you gonna buy?
Stuff to take back to California.
Oh, you're gonna take stuff back to California?
Yep.
That's where E-Money lives, California. You can find something cool here. So there actually was a garage sale right here and one right there, but we didn't find anything. We still have like 3 more options, and then it's gonna be like farmer's market eggs and then some coffee. But we're just trying to make a little bit more money. But I think the best find today, to be honest, is definitely the Wayfarer sunglasses so far. Definitely the most unique find. E-money.
Yeah.
Wake up.
I'm trying to.
Yeah, E-money is like so not. E-money. They get to see you and like you're this. E-money, you're supposed to be hyper E-money like you used to be.
Fine.
Oh my gosh.
Stupid hoodies.
Don't do Magic Mike. E-money, do not do Magic Mike out here in the streets. Don't you Magic Mike me.
Now.
Huh?
It's warm now.
It's warm? It is getting warm. We have a high of 80 today. And we're trying to figure out what to do with the rest of our day. I don't even know what we're gonna do, but.
It has an ET on it.
What?
It has an ET on it.
Oh, it does?
Yeah.
There's an ET on there?
Yeah, look.
What do you mean?
Yeah, it's got an ET on
What are you talking about?
it. Oh, it's got an ET.
Oh, it's got an ET. Yeah, it is ET. Hey, money, what's wrong with you? Your garage sale right here. Let's go see it. Maybe we'll find something. Whoosh, another garage sale we didn't find anything at, so we're gonna keep going. I think there's only like 1 or 2 left. We'll see if we can find one more thing. We're here at Spokesman Coffee. We got our Dopios. It looks really good. This is the crema of the Dopio. Try it out. That's really good, actually.
Yeah, hot.
It is a little hot.
It is warm.
Ask you guys in the comments.
Would you guys drink something like this? Let me know.
So we have a surprise for you guys. We are expecting our own little Doppio.
What?
Okay.
Oh God. What? Oh my God. Why would she do that? She's totally joking. Oh my gosh. Yeah, why would she just say that? I don't know. But you know, after we got coffee that day, we didn't find any more garage sales or anything like that. I may or may not be editing this video laying on a couch, and I might have dropped a weight on my foot this morning. I don't know, did I? So yeah, I'm a little recuperating right now. But it was so nice to see E-money on the vlog, and my girlfriend's got jokes. I'll have a discussion with her about that one joke though. Let me know what you guys thought about the vlog. Put a comment down below. I always respond to comments within day 1. And it was a fun time. It was good to see E-money. I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.